Hey y'all, welcome to Mornings with Kimi. First of all, y'all that watched the first one I did loved it. And y'all were excited to see more, and I'm so glad you were. So here is number 2. My cat was about to go in the closet. So on this morning, we are getting the bed made. We're going to start a load of laundry. We're going to straighten up the living room. I've got a kitchen with trash and dishes that need to be taken care of. All the things. So this video, this morning with Kimi, is meant to motivate y'all in the mornings to get your house off on the right track. That way you don't have to worry about cleaning up the rest of the day. It's all done, and then you get some of the day to yourself. So let's get to cleaning. I've added some nice cozy morning music to this video for those of y'all that are just waking up. But I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe if you are new.
I'm always feeling homesick. All I know is this is where my heart is.
So for this load of laundry, I'm using a little bit of OxyClean odor blaster. I never fill it up all the way, maybe like a third of the way. And then I do the same thing with the Downy Light scent beads. And this one with the light blue cap is my favorite. Y'all, it smells like fresh linens from Bath and Body Works. That candle, oh my goodness, so good. And then I'm using these Clear Life laundry detergent sheets. I normally pop in 2 full sheets to do all of my loads of laundry.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Alright, girls, gingerbread men and gingerbread girlies are super popular this holiday season. So, of course, I ended up getting a pair of gingerbread slippers on Amazon. And how cute are these? Oh my gosh. All I can think of is Shrek with that little gingerbread that's like getting cut up. Oh man, am I being so morbid. And also, I'm starting to sound like a robot. And I actually did have my hands going out like a robot. Because, I don't know, gingerbreads, robots, somehow in my mind, they go together. But I'm going to leave those slippers linked down below in the description box in case y'all want to twin with me and have some gingerbread men on your shoes. But they also had a pair with a Christmas tree, which is like, so cute. And they had a reindeer as well. Well, Rudolph with his red nose.
This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I found this sweet poem on Pinterest about homemakers that I wanted to share with y'all just for some morning encouragement. And this says, "The heart of the home is more than a room. It's an atmosphere, an ambiance. It is an attitude. But the heart of the home is more than a mood. It's a discipline, a practice, a habit of servitude. The heart of the home, when led by the Spirit, beats for the souls for all those within it." And that poem is called "The Heart of the Home," and it's by Haley Littlepage. How sweet is that? Does that not make you feel good as a homemaker?
Forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking with With you everything was complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
I'm still using that Clorox Scentiva disinfectant spray with a microfiber cloth, and this one is the grapefruit one.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Aaron and I are going to go see another property to look at. I can't wait for y'all to go with us and we get to have the first impressions and everything. So check back here around 4 p.m. to see that video.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
It's time for the comment of the day, and this one was on the first Mornings with Kimi that we did, and it's from Gina, and she said, "I'm so happy. Double doses of Kimi today. Yay! Great early morning video. Also, I love the do it now theory. I think of it so many times and it really does work. Have a beautiful day. See you later for the tour. Can't wait." On that day, we went and looked at a tour too. So I'm so glad you liked the Mornings with Kimi. And also the do it now theory, which has totally changed the way my house looks. It keeps us pretty much on track. We did not clean up last night. We did not do it then, but we're doing it now, and that's what matters. So whenever you decide to do it now, keep that in the back of your mind. Every time you try to talk yourself out of doing something, just think, do it now, and it's done, and then you don't have to keep thinking about it.
All the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smile.
To finish off our morning cleaning, I am using this Grow fragrance. It's a room and air freshener, and it is the woodland sage. Oh man, y'all, it smells so good, and I think it's perfect for like Christmas time and winter when that gets here. It was cold today, it was hot yesterday. That's just how it is in North Carolina.
A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Share this video with a homemaker that needs some encouragement today. And I will see y'all back here later on at 4 p.m. Bye.
scars.